Welcome to Punch It Unboxed. Today I will show you how we set up our commercial ice bath, which is just behind me. So the first part, I show you how we set up our commercial ice bath. The second, how we clean up and keep it clean. And the third, we will try to make together a full automated ice bath without ice. So this is our ice bath we use now since around 2 years, and every day around 30 to 50 customers use them. We have a box, an ice box, this is isolated, and the size is 1.15 m and 59 cm wide and 75 cm deep. It's also possible 2 people can sit down here, and we have 800 liter water inside, and normally we use 600 liter plus the ice. Additional to the ice bath, we have also the shower. So the rule is, keep the shower first, use the ice bath next. So the lid is for us a very important thing in this setup. About in Koh Samui is very hot, and if we don't close it, the ice is melting very quick. If we close after the using, the ice is still 1 day cold, and the temperature is around 1 to 5 degrees for the full day. We come already to the second part of this video, how we keep it clean. So for us, we have a sand filter we can use every day in the morning, around 2-3 hours. We use the sand filter to clean the water inside, plus we take out with the pump the old water, around 200 liters, and the ice bath is always clean. In addition, we also use the chlorine, and both together is the best setup we find out for right now to have a fresh ice bath for 30 to 50 customers every day. When we come to the cost of this setup, so the ice box we use, we bought it in Thailand for about 8,000 baht. Then we have the sand filter, is also 7,000 baht of cost, and the water pump we changed around 3 times already, about they not get used to it for the cold water. So the cost of a pump here is around 3,000 baht. This is not a big investment, but what is a big investment is actually the ice. We use every day 600 baht for the ice, and this is a cost in the year around 200,000 baht. So the third part in this video started with my improvement of the ice bath. Last time when I was running, I use always my run to think for new improvement for my gym. This is the best part. My phone is at home and I have always new ideas, and this is one I want to try now in this video with you. So the idea is we use the fridge with a pipe from the garden, and the new pump is now for cold water, so we don't have to worry it's broken again. So the water will come to the fridge in the pipe, get used to it around 50 meters in the pipe, come back in the ice bath, and there we have a circle and we have always cold water. But I really have no idea it works, so let's try out together and start with the new ice bath with the fridge. The last 2 days we installed the freezer, including the hose and the new pump. So right now the new pump will bring the water to this line, and it's go inside the freezer with 50-meter pipe and coming out here and go back to the ice bath. The next step, we have to cover up all the pipes with isolation that everything keep it cool. And the last part is we have to cover up all the pump, the freezer, that at the end we have a good looking ice bath. finally we are finished. We cover up the freezer and we are happy with the result. But to be honest, we are only 80% satisfied with the result of coldness. Right now the problem was a little bit, if we run the pump 24 hours, the water from the ice bath, it's too hot and the freezer cannot cool down enough to freeze the water. So we changed a little bit the settings. We install a timer and now the freezer run 24 hours, but the pump every 2 hours for half an hour. So the freezer have enough time to cool down again. And this is for now the best result we can get. We don't have to buy 8 bags of ice. We just buy 2 bags and we reduce the cost a lot. So to run the pump for 6 hours a day plus the freezer is around in the year 10 to 12,000 baht electric cost. And the ice, just 2 bags, is around 50,000 baht a year. We have the cost of this ice bath. If you remember in the beginning, I tell you we spend around 200,000 baht of ice every year. So we are very happy to make this improvement. The final result is not what we expect full automatics, but almost. 6 hours a day. We run also the pump with the filter system and the ice bath is now very clean, and this is also a good improvement. If you have idea how we can improve from 80 to 100% to make this ice bath full automatic, please leave a comment with your idea or advice. And I hope to see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next update of our improvement of the ice bath.